Good morning YouTube family, welcome to another video from the busy streets of Accra, Ghana. Today, me and my brother in the background, we're watching a documentary last night on Lamborghinis, and it got me thinking, you know what, as far as I remember, there's actually an ultra rare Lamborghini that is located somewhere in Accra, Ghana. Started doing the research and I found out that it was actually owned by Cristiano Ronaldo back in 2017 until it was bought by Nanakwama Bediako, and it should be somewhere along the street a little bit further out. So that is what we're doing today. We're going to go and try and find it. It's ultra rare, probably the most expensive car in the whole of Accra. Good morning. All over Accra, Ghana. I love that just everyone walk around selling sunglasses, selling hats. So that's what we're going to do. Gonna go explore, gonna go find a little bit, and then maybe the market isn't too busy and we go and see what's happening there also. But it's a busy morning, lots going on. So this street, and this is where I got my fruit the other day, if you've seen that vlog. Got my wachi up there, my grilled plantain, everything there. Got a high school over here, some new developments going on there, and it's just an absolutely beautiful day. It's going to start getting really hot. That's why me and Clayton both put our traditional shirts on. They are the absolutely best thing to wear in this type of weather. Got the trotros coming in and all these little shops on the way. This is one of the things my mom loves the most. When you can just walk the streets, there's a whole lot of different fabric. You find the fabric you like. They can make shirts, dresses, absolutely incredible. All your utensils, used bicycles here, everything you need, everything you ever need. Hello there. You can find it here. Your welcome mats, your rubbish bins, your rakes, everything right here, literally just off the main street. If you want some furniture also, handmade furniture, some more absolutely delicious looking food. Another school right over there, and I can see the building I believe it's in front of, so we're getting ever so closer. We were the other side of the street and we had to come this side of the street, and me and Clayton were waiting. There's so many cars, we're like, we're gonna have to be waiting here forever. Literally as soon as we stepped up onto the pavement to cross the road, cars stopped on both sides, which was just like, wow, that's crazy. That was like really nice of them. But also in the background you can see this is where all the new banks and office buildings are going up. It's going to be an absolutely thriving area. There's so much going on. You can see all the different banks, groceries. Here's another street where we're going to cross, so hopefully it's as easy to cross as last time. We're going to make a run for it. Perfect, thank you. And just like that, we're across, no problems whatsoever. We've never walked this way before, correct?
No, we haven't.
We've never ever walked this way before. We've been down to this area a couple of times, never by ourselves, so it was just really nice. A great idea. It's like, you know what, let's go out, let's explore and just be out here, and you can't ask for any better of a day to do it. We're almost here. This is the building we're using as the landmark to make it here. Some more little shops on the street, and this is actually also a new apartment block that they did one. As far as I know, it is called Number 1 on Oxford Street. And if anyone knows anyone that works there, I would absolutely love to give a tour of it. So let me know in the comment section if you know anyone that works there, any connections like that. I would be ever so grateful, because it is phenomenal, it is stunning, and I would love to be able to share it and just show the world some of the beauty and the new developments that are here inside Accra. Look at that, absolutely stunning. Sharing the Ghanaian spirit. You can see by the traffic, it is really busy. Hello my friend, I'll come back. I'll come back, thank you. Like, it's so awesome. Everyone's selling on the corner of the streets here, people selling in the roads, just finding all different ways to make it convenient. Hello my brother, how are you?
Fine, market start from here.
Great stuff. So everyone's super friendly, you can get anything really you want here. They're selling phone covers here, all different brands, different clothing, different everything. There's even things for your pets you can pick up here. So if I'm not correct, we are very close to finding this ultra rare Lamborghini. This is the moment of truth. We've walked like 25 minutes I should say, all the way to get a sneak peek of the Lamborghini, which is inside here, and it seems to not be there today. So I think what might have happened, he might have moved it to his residence, but I'll put photos on the screen to show you that it actually is here. It's either undercover there, but we aren't able to tell, or it is a different place. Okay, I can explain. Shortly after filming that, trying to get up close to the window, trying to take a look inside, the security came and they asked us, please not to do that, please not film without their permission. But after talking to them, we got the inside and we're told that yes, the Lamborghini that was owned by Ronaldo is in the inside, but due to COVID and the decreased number of tourism and the decreased number of people coming to visit, they thought this would be a great opportunity for them to take the time out and renovate the area, because this is not only where possibly the most expensive car. To me, I couldn't find any cars more expensive inside a car inside Ghana, but they said this would be a perfect opportunity to increase the area and just brighten it up a bit and make it into a proper showroom slash like almost gallery where people can come and take photos by the car and really see it and just get a piece of history almost, because that where one of the most, if not the greatest footballer on the planet has touched, has sat and has dropped, has owned in his possession. So I thought that was super awesome. So they said that's why the car is completely wrapped on the inside, so when they're painting, doing all the renovations, it does not get damaged, and the outside is completely blacked out, so therefore the people from the streets cannot see what is happening in the inside until it's completely done. So hopefully in the upcoming weeks, upcoming months, it'll all be sorted out and people then can go take photos by it, can go and truly see the spectacular beast that I've only seen once before when I was driving past. So I know it's not the huge unveiling we're hoping for, but as you can see from the pictures on the screen that I've been showing, it is an absolutely beautiful spec car. Really lucky man to be able to own it and own a piece of history. But I really hope everyone enjoyed this video. Smash that subscribe button so we can grow together, get better together, and improve little by little every single day to improve our goals while spreading Ghana, while spreading Africa, and while spreading positivity to the world. And I'll see you all in the next video.